Hey, so I recently picked up these swinging toolboxes for my 2003 Silverado, and I was just going to make a review and installation video because I was really surprised at the quality of these, seeing how they are $200 for the pair, and everywhere else that sells them, they go for about $200 a piece. So I wasn't sure what I was going to get, and I was very surprised. Lots of storage inside. It does come with a lock. Both sides have its own key, and it does click securely into place. You could even put a padlock on it if you want. And your tools are completely accessible when you have your bed cover rolled on, which I will show at the end. These were an awesome purchase. I'm going to show you just how easy it was to throw these on. Alright, so what comes with it is you got your hardware here. Most of this is actually extra parts. You don't use most of that. You have your instructions, and then you have your actual mounting bracket here that gets screwed onto the side of your truck. As far as tools go, you just need a 10mm socket and a drill, and that's it. Alright, so using the provided nuts, you just have to assemble the two main pieces of your bracket here. Alright, gotta tighten that up. And then this just gets screwed on there, just like that. Couldn't be easier. Alright, and just like that, the bracket is installed. 6 bolts, or I should say screws. Now we just have to put the toolbox on. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's these little rubber pieces that kind of just slide over. You do have a full set of spares. Mine came with the top one already on, and then the bottom one just slides right on there. Just slide it right in. And you're done. Oops. I may have misspoken. Then I forgot to mention is you may have to make an adjustment to these two screws right here. Alright, so I don't know how well you can see that, but that bracket needs to be adjusted up a little higher, and those two screws there, just tighten those down, and you should be able to lock that right into place. Alright, the moment of truth, and it works. Just like that, your toolbox is installed. You got nice two new toolboxes you can keep underneath your tonneau cover. Pull on the lever, pops right out. Only problem I have noticed is that sometimes the top doesn't open all the way up. And it does hit on your cable, so you can't open it all the way. I'm not sure if this side had the same issue. Now this one opens up more, but this top still doesn't open. But it's still nicer than having all your tools in a milk crate. Throw in your tray, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I hope this helped.